They know no matter what city or state they're in, they can get genuine cat parts and they can get warranty and service that is backed by Caterpillar. Cat Reman is a critical partner for us. It makes up about 57% of our total parts sales. Whether it's a complete Reman engine or whether it's just a component like a Cat Reman turbo. Customers have come to rely on Cat Reman as being high quality, updated with the latest technology, and they know that Caterpillar is going to stand behind them if they have any issues on the road. Cat Reman parts can really help customers who have downtime by providing a quick solution. You don't have to repair that component or maybe even a complete engine when you can drop in a Reman product. Cat Reman is critical for us when we think about lowering repair costs for customers. Our whole business model, trying to get core back so that we can rebuild it to like new standards, is what enables us to offer a lower cost repair option for customers. Cat Reman gives us quality, a lower price, and that confidence in Cat's durability for the long term.